Comparing whole numerals. Whenever we're trying to compare whole numerals, we're going to have three options. Either a number is greater than another number, or a number is smaller than another number, or a number is equal to another number. This is how you read the symbol from left to right. Now, sometimes we want to read it the other way, and we fall into the confusion of which way should I write the symbol. Should I write it to the right? Should I write it to the left? Or what's tell me which one is the bigger or which one is a smaller number? So to help us identify which direction we're supposed to draw our symbol, what we need to do is look at the opening here. This opening tells you that it's facing the greater number, and this little part here, the small part, is telling you this is the smaller number. Same idea here. Because this is a small side, you have to say, oh, then the smaller number is here, and because this is the bigger part, this is the greater number. Now, if that doesn't work for you, maybe looking at your arms will help you if you are right-handed. Okay, now if you look at your right side, alright, in your right hand, because we're right-handed, we will have more power in the right hand. So that's the symbol. So those are some ways for you to identify which side should you point the direction, but that's how you read it from left to right. When it comes to comparing numbers, if they have different amount of digits, then it will be easier to identify which one is bigger. Now we have to count how many digits do they have. This numeral here, this number, has 7 digits, while this side has 6 digits. Now who's bigger? The one that has more digits. So this number here is bigger than the other. Okay, and as you remember, bigger side, bigger number. Same idea here. There are 5 digits in here, while in this side we have 4 digits. So who's bigger? The one that has more digits. Therefore the bigger side, alright, the bigger opening goes to the bigger number. Alright, now same idea here. So let's count. So we have 7 digits, while on this side we have 8 digits. So who's gonna be bigger? The one that has more digits. So 8 digits here. Right, the bigger side to the bigger number. Now what about when they have the same amount of digits? Now if they have the same amount of digits, what we should do is compare them one by one. 3 and a 6. Who's bigger? 6. Therefore the opening goes like that. Same idea here. 7 and a 7, they're the same. 8 and an 8, they're the same. So we go to the next digits. 3 and 0. Oh, 3 is bigger than 0. Then the opening should go that way. So let's try the next one. 2 and a 2. 9 and a 9, they're the same so far. 1 and 1, they're the same. 6 and 6, same. 4 and 4, 7 and 7. Therefore these numbers are equal. In your assignment, you will be asked to list from the smallest to the largest number. So we must compare them the same way we were comparing these numbers. So let's identify. We have a 2000 here, we have a 3000 something, and a 3000 something. So who's the smallest? The 2000 one. So let's write here 2000. as the smallest number. Now let's compare between these two numbers here that we have left. Let's see who is the smallest one and who is the biggest one, right? Who is the smaller and who is the bigger. So we compare digit by digit. 3 and a 3, they're the same. 0 and a 3. Oh, wait a minute, 0 is less than 3, therefore this number is smaller than the other, and the largest will be 3,300. Okay, so let's try this other set of number here. 4 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits. Of course the 3 digits is going to be the smallest one, so 869 is the smallest number. Now since these two have the same amount of digits, let's compare them one by one. So 6 and a 6 has the same, 8 and an 8 has the same, 3 and a 9, so which 9 is greater than that and 3 is smaller, so the smaller number will go here, and the largest one will be this number here.